Hello students, let us continue the next topic of lesson number 1. Let's know the history, and the topic is students studying history, archaeologist, historian and travelers. History means information given by archaeologists about past of human society on the basis of research. They go to ancient places and dig out the houses, coins, bricks, stones, implements, sample of food, bones of man and animal, etc., and study them and make us aware about culture of man of that time. Man has been wandering from one place to another since ancient time. Many travelers have visited other countries to note life of people there. From the travel detail of such travelers, we get information about the history and culture of the country. It includes travelers like Megasthenes, Philini, Fahian, Winston. The researches of archaeologist and historian gives us glimpses of great civilization which flourished in the northwest region on the bank of the river Indus. In India, many cities existed more than 4500 years ago. In the same way, it can also be known that many cities developed on the banks of river Ganga and nearby area about 2500 years ago. All these tools gives us information about custom, food, attire, technology and culture of the people of that time. By exploring many cities and villages, they have given us information regarding cotton, barley, wheat. Beside this, they have also given us information about animals of that time. Archaeologists are the scholars who study about past. They categorize the tools found, do researches, collect data from manuscript, documents, archives, and then scribe them in a rigorous way. Archaeologist and historian bring past to life. Now next is name of the land. India derives its name from Indus, which is called Sindhu in Sanskrit language. The Iranian called Indus River as Hindus and the Greeks called it Indus. The name Bharat is known from the Rig Veda. A group of people named Bharat came and settled in the northwestern India. By their name, our country is known as Bharat. Now, next topic is date line. Time is very important in history. Events can be written along with time and place. We can relate time with date, month and year such as July 20, 2018, Friday. As per it, time is associated with birth of Jesus Christ. Birth of Jesus Christ, founder of Christianity, has been associated with dateline. We call it Anno Domini, that means AD, which means years after birth of Jesus Christ. Example, 2000 AD means 2000 years after birth of Jesus Christ. Similarly, BC, before Christ, means years before birth of Jesus Christ. Example, 2000 BC means 2000 years before birth of Jesus Christ. Now children, you can see picture. So a table is given below, birth of Jesus Christ of BC and AD. So date line showing AD and BC. Very often it is written as CE instead of AD and BCE is written instead of BC. CE means Common Era, while BCE means Before Common Era. As Christianity is associated with most nations of the world. We use the same dateline in India as in many nations. In many cases, the word BP is also used, which means before present. Now, children, you can see things to know. To know this, BC full form is before Christ. AD, Anno Domini, both are Greek words which means in the year of God, example 2018 AD. Then stone inscription, an inscription carved on stone. Then is birch bark, thin inner layer of tree named birch on which ancient texts were written. Now students, I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.